JavaScript can help make your web pages come to life. JavaScript, along with HTML and CSS, are the three core languages of the internet. JavaScript makes things happen. This course is designed for beginners who want to build a strong foundation for writing JavaScript code. Learn how JavaScript works and how to combine multiple statements together to make things happen and come together online. Learn about variables and how they are used to hold values in coding. Explore how to set values and update variable values within operators. Add arrays to hold multiple values in one place. Work with objects for more options for value storage. Find out more about the power of arrays. Functions for even more that you can do with your programming. Save time with out-of-the-box JavaScript methods. Let us show you how. Apply conditions and use switch statements. Execute code depending on the result of the statement. Save time with loops and perform code executions multiple times. Source code is also included, so all of the source code used within the lessons is provided to get you started quickly. Everything you need to learn JavaScript and a whole lot more. This course is taught by an instructor with over 18 years of JavaScript experience. I'm here to help you learn about JavaScript, coding, and ready to answer any questions you may have. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to start writing JavaScript code. Get results, see what you can do with JavaScript today.